National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Clark County, southeastern Champaign County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Tremont City, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, ping-pong ball-size hail. Locations impacted include Springfield, South Charleston, in addition, Powhatan, New Moorfield, Buck Creek State Park, Catawba Station, Harmony, Catawba, South Vienna, and Plattsburgh are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 54 and 70. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.